In part 3 of the video series on Open Manage Enterprise Workflow Automation with Ansible, let us see how you can create compliance baselines, generate compliance reports, and remediate any configuration drift across a fleet of servers. See the links above to watch other videos in this Open Manage Enterprise with Ansible series. To create a compliance baseline in Open Manage Enterprise, we need to first create a compliance template. Here, I'm cloning an existing deployment template to use it for compliance checking using the template module. I run this playbook and we can see that a compliance template has been created. I want to run this compliance check against the entire inventory. For that, I first capture all the device service tags into a variable, create a new group, and then pass the variable to add all the devices to this newly created group. We run this Ansible playbook to create the device group. Now let us look at the key step of actually creating the baseline using the compliance baseline module. This one task will run the baseline check for the entire device group. We can track the progress of the baseline check on the user interface. Here we see that all of the devices are non-compliant because the alert email setting of the template is not yet applied. We can use the compliance info module to retrieve this compliance test results using the baseline name and capture the output in a variable. We can also save the variable to a file so that we can record all the details and share it with others who need to look at it. I run the playbook again to create the file. Here the file is created and we can see that it is a very detailed file with thousands of lines of detail. We can also further analyze the compliance results programmatically using the variable that we just saved to the file. Here I used an Ansible loop that loops through all the devices and saved just the non-compliant devices in a separate variable for further analysis. The baseline Ansible module also gives a way to remediate the compliance drift. In this case, I am passing the non-compliant devices to this module so that the compliance drift can be remediated, which sets the new email address for iDRAC alerts. This step will take some time as it has to go through all the devices in the group and apply the remediation. We can also check that the remediation actions were successful. Thank you for watching this demo.